In this video, we are going to be working to release the ears from the skull. Now, if you take your fingers and you just play around with the ear should be able to move freely away from the skull. However, for a lot of people, it's really sticky. So play with both sides and just get a sense of how this feels. Now, when they are sticky, it creates a whole bunch of thickness and adhesion around this area, creating a face that doesn't have that nice symmetrical, clean looking structure. Not only that, those adhesions can also impair hearing as well as what's going on with the jaw. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take our second, third, and fourth finger and let's just place right behind the ear here and just allow the weight of your head and gravity to do the work as we start to add a little bit of pressure into this space. And you can even close your eyes just to get a deeper sense of what's happening under your fingertips as you focus on that full exhale. You can slowly lift the head up and down to nudge the ear even more deeply away from the skull. And as you're doing this, just notice your emotional state. We're affecting the vagus nerve when we're working on the ears. Also, the ears have so many connections to the organs, like reflexology. There's a whole bunch of points that connect to other parts of the body. So we want to make sure we have proper alignment for the ears as well. Now, just continue with this, but if you can look for a moment, the paddle is really awesome for this. Again, we've got all these reflexology points in through here. So simply placing the handle right into this space and then leaning in and then slowly torquing. Again, over a 3-minute period, we create so much change and it's incredibly calming for the nervous system. You can even use the other side to get a different feel. All of it feels amazing. Just to give you a little view, but back to the fingers. Very simple to start nudging the ear in this way. We'll spend one more minute here. And just really appreciate how pressure over time with breath creates that fluidity in the tissue. That's your sign that positive change is happening. When those adhesions are in the forefront, the tissue is frozen and dehydrated. So we're spending our time to melt and hydrate. And when you're ready, you can slowly release and just take a moment just now to grab the ear and just pull away and just see if you've created a little bit more fluidity in this area. So if you think about what happens over time as we age, we start tipping forward and into a twist, one way or the other. And the ears become part of that equation, holding the entire structure of the head in that alignment, causing the buildup of adhesions through the front of the body here as well. So as we start to free the ears up, they can come back further, assisting with bringing everything up and back, like how we were before time really started kicking in. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Again, just the 3 fingers right at the back of the ear. And then just allow your head weight and gravity to do the work. And at whatever time it feels right for you, you can slowly add in some movement with the head. And one side might feel completely different than the other. We are anything but symmetrical. The goal is to bring balance and symmetry back into this space. And remember, our focus is to seek out pain, but in an intentional way that your breath allows. Pain equals adhesion. So when we can search for it on purpose, because the pressure fibers are larger than the pain fibers, the pain starts to change and it feels more like a good pain. So that's the goal of what we're looking for as we seek out the pain. Let's spend one more minute here. And we'll take 3 more slow exhales. And when you're ready, you can just release. And let's just grab the ear and draw it away. You can just do a little bit of a pull and just notice if you feel any more freedom through here. And then also notice how you feel emotionally. Are you feeling nice and calm and centered? Again, the ears are a beautiful area to work to activate the vagus nerve and bring you back into that rest and digest healing mode.